Well, as quick as sometimes we build is as quick as sometimes we tear down. And we built this up and we're tearing it down now. Many things come into the picture and many things will go. Sold it. It's gone. Starting over. So when your strap takes a crap, like mine did today, tie a knot in that sucker right below all of it right there. Like, see where it's all, yeah, just forget that mop, tie a knot in it, and then you can still use that part of your strap. And then it's really cool because then you got like a loop up here if you want to use to, you know, to put your equipment or your hook in that and pull from that. But sometimes I like to just pull from the knot since that's already about to go. Yeah, that'll work. See, that one doesn't have the track. I took the track off.
Yeah, so, that was that torch you brought the other day.
Yeah, they just take. Yep, they just take. Oh yeah, it's fused. Totally arced out on that pipe. From sun up, pretty much sun's down. I need to hire some people. What's up? It's early. You probably can't even see me, man. The sun hasn't even come up yet. I mean, it's Sunday and it's 5:30 in the morning. It's not too early, but it's early. You know, I work from sun up to sundown, or I'm up before the sun's up and I'm at it after the sun's already down. I think I clocked anywhere from like 84 to 100 hours a week that I'm putting in, you know, sometimes 12-hour days, sometimes 14-hour days. But yeah, it's stressful, you know, being your own independent business owner. I won't lie about that. I'm worried about jobs being approved, landing jobs, keeping work, having work, yada, yada, yada. But yeah, I mean, it's worth it to me because I don't have to answer to nobody. I kind of make all my own shots, and that's how I like it. I don't want to have to listen to people tell me how I gotta work, or when I gotta work, or how I gotta work. I'd rather just show people my hard work ethic for their projects. I've realized for years, all the companies, how much advantage they took of me, and my good nature of working my ass off for them. Never again, I don't think will I ever go back to work for a company and slave drive for them like I have for the last 17 years of my life. So that's where I'm at. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll go get my coffee and call it a day, or go after it for this day. All right, guys, we'll wrap to you later. I'm out. Peace. It's not the best, but you know, it's just pipe to plate rollouts. That's it, you know. Number 26 out of 3,200,000 and something. Now I know it's just a plate to pipe, but I could get used to this life. Just sit here on my roller wheel. Just roll it out. Oh yeah, chill block. I'm getting dialed back in finally, somewhat, you know. 532 rod at 187 amps. You know I like to keep it deadly. I like to run it hot and fast. So it looks like I'm about 2 and just like, I don't know, quarter of that third rod. Got to figure out that startup again. I'll get it down. I'll get it dialed in. Where's that other start? Oh, there it is. Out here cutting my 3-foot pups. Got them all stacked up on the skid steer. But we're going to clean them up over here and then paint them.